the video. I'll be showing you the Uphold website. The first you want to do is go to uphold.com. On the first page, from us dollar to Bitcoin in seconds. If you did not see that on your screen, you're on the wrong website. This website will be in the description box down below this video. The trusted, low cost and easy to use digital money platform. Sign up now. As you guys can see on the side, this is the sidebar on which slide you are going on. You guys can see powering over 3 million in digital money transactions. Why use Uphold? Instant and low cost, transparent, global and innovative. You guys can see that these logos that will be coming up. You can also change it by clicking these two arrows, back and forth. There will be pictures on the side that will be showing an example. You can see here that there is a comment from each of these logos. You can see what they say easily. You will also get this, which says, "Where are professionals financial service by design? Welcome to the world's first transparent financial reserve. We keep a public record of our solvency, assets versus member holdings, so you can see for yourself that funds are deep and accessible the way it should be. You can view the holdings. You can also see JP says. And at the end, you can see, "Welcome to Uphold, the Internet of Money. Get started now," which is highlighted in pink. And also you can see the photo. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, visit the website. The Coins website, you can read over 150 pages. So I hope you learned the Uphold website.